All right, so now we're going to talk about the muscular system. In this chapter, we're going to cover the function and characteristics of muscles, skeletal muscles working in pairs, contraction of muscles, voluntary movement, energy for muscle contraction, slow twitch and fast twitch muscles, and finally building muscles. So we're going to start off by talking about the function and characteristics of muscles. There are 3 specific types of muscles that we're going to discuss in this chapter, but every muscle has a few things in common. For example, all muscles are excitable, meaning that they can be induced to respond to stimuli. They're also contractile, meaning they can shorten, and extensible, meaning they can stretch. And then finally, they're elastic, meaning that they'll return to their original length after being induced to either shorten or lengthen. And although we're going to primarily focus on skeletal muscle in this chapter, there are 2 other types of muscle that we're going to talk about. Smooth muscle was mentioned previously in chapter 4, and cardiac muscle, which we will talk about in chapter 12. Skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles. They're going to be ultimately responsible for moving our body, maintaining posture, supporting our internal organs. They also can be used to help push against veins and lymphatic vessels to help move blood and lymph along, allow for increased circulation. And then finally, they also are incredible at generating heat and helping us to maintain those internal temperatures that we need for homeostatic balance.